Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you that how we can transfer our photos videos from our iPhone to Windows laptop or computer. You guys can see here, this is my iPhone 11 and I'm just going to transfer my photos videos from iPhone to laptop. So I thought that I made a video for you. So in order to do that, firstly we have to download a software which is known as 3U Tools. You can find it from 3u.com. I have already downloaded that. So let me show you the name of the software. You guys can see here the software name is 3U Tools, and after downloading just connect your iPhone with the lightning cable. I already connected with my charging cable here. Okay, make sure you use original one if it is not connecting, and make sure drivers are already installed. So now after connecting your iPhone, your PC will detect, the software will detect the iPhone, and now in order to transfer photos videos you have to just simply jump to the photo section right here. Okay, at your left, click on photos, click on camera roll. Okay, double click on this one, camera roll is open. You can also have a preview of your photo. So let's assume that I would like to save these photos. So in order to select multiple ones, I need to press Control and select all the photos and click on export button here. Okay, so I'll just export it on direct desktop, and let me show you, here are only 2 photos. Let me click on OK, click on don't create, or either you can create the folder. Okay, so now after creating, you guys can see here I got these 2 new photos here. So this is the very simple fix. So that's it, you will be good to go. I hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. You can just simply hit on like button, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.